Next slide, bail agent pre-licensing education. So, in addition to PC 832 powers to arrest, 40-hour training, bounty hunters, bail agents, and private investigators who wish to engage in the act of bounty hunting or in the activity of bounty hunting must also have bail agent pre-licensing education, which is a 20-hour classroom pre-licensing education training course consistent with Section 1810.1 of the California Insurance Code. So all people bounty hunting must have this, state of California. All right. It's basically just classroom training on the insurance code. Bail agents are required to have this training because bail agents are also licensed bail agents. So they're required to have that training to be in compliance with the insurance code of California. In order to be able to negotiate contracts as a bail agent has to have that training, which is going to teach them how to pass the exam. But for bounty hunters, you don't have to take any exam. For bounty hunters, no exam is necessary, just the classroom training is sufficient in conjunction with all other requirements listed in California PC 1299. Only bail agents have to take a licensing exam, which upon successful completion allows for the negotiation of bail bonds. All right. So as a bail agent, you're going to already have this training, and you're a licensed bail agent, so all you'll really need is the powers to arrest, the 40 hours, the PC 832 training. But for anybody bounty hunting, in addition and in conjunction with PC 832 powers to arrest, bail agent pre-licensing education, 20 hours of classroom training is a must. You have to have that to show that you're competent in the insurance code, which deals with bail bonds as well. Only bail agents have to take the licensing exam, as we discussed. Private investigators are authorized to bounty hunt, but must also meet training specifications outlined in PC 1299.04. So, private investigators can bounty hunt, but they still have to have all the training listed in PC 1299 in order to be California law compliant. What's interesting about bounty hunting as a private investigator is private investigators can also have a open carry permit for firearms, and we'll talk about that in the firearms portion of this presentation. Licensed bail agents can bounty hunt, but must also meet additional training requirements listed in Penal Code 1299, which we've already discussed, and that's PC 832 powers to arrest. Bail agents can be felons, while bounty hunters cannot. Now, the reason why that's important is because if you're going to be bounty hunting, you want to be able to carry a firearm, whether you have a CCW, and we'll talk about other requirements and laws regarding carrying of firearms in California. But you don't want to bounty hunt unarmed. But you can be armed if you're a felon. So bail agents, even though you can be felons and engage in bounty hunting, remember that you just place yourself in even more danger by doing so, because now you're bounty hunting unarmed. In the state of California, felons can't even wear body armor. So you can't even protect yourself by wearing body armor. Even if you're running around unarmed hunting fugitives as a bail agent, you can't wear body armor. It's a crime in the state of California. So there's really not much you can do besides carry pepper spray. So I would really advise against bail agents bounty hunting if they're felons. If you're a felon and you're a bail agent, just don't bounty hunt. It's not for you.